Exercise 1.2, third main, fifth question, that is box 38, box minus 22. How can you write here? This is A, that is nothing but what? A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6. What is A2 here? What is A2? 38. And what is A6? Minus 22. A2 can be written as A plus D is equal to 38. Equation number 1. Then A6 can be written as A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. Correct? Equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2. From equation number 1 and 2. How can you write here? Okay, wait. Look at A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. Then A plus D is equal to 38. Change the symbols or chinnas. Plus A minus A cancel. Plus 5D minus D 4D is equal to, both are minus, you have to add. Correct? Minus 38 minus 22 minus 60 minus 60 into 4 it will become divided by 4. D is equal to minus 60 divided by 4. Then okay, 4 ones are 4 15s are 4 ones are 4 15s are, therefore D is equal to what we got? Minus 15. You have to put this D value in equation number 1 to get A value. What is equation number 1? A plus D is equal to 38. उसके अंदर क्या डालना हमें? D value डालने का. Okay. From equation number 1, A plus D. What is D? Minus 15 is equal to 38. Minus 15 will become what? Plus 15. Understood? Plus 15. Then A is equal to 38 plus 15. After adding this, what will you get? 38, 48, 53. A is equal to 53. The first term is 53. Correct? First box is 53. We got second box. We have to find out third, fourth and fifth box. That is A3, A4, A5. A3, A4, A5. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Then A4 is equal to A4 is equal to A plus 3D. Then A5 is equal to A plus 4D. Correct? Okay. Look here. This is equal to what is A value? 53 plus 2 into D value is minus 15. This is equal to A value is 53 plus D is minus 15. Then this is equal to 53 plus 4 in bracket minus 15. This is equal to 53 plus into minus plus into minus 2 15s are 30. Then this is equal to 53 plus into minus 15 3s are 45. This is equal to 53, 15 4s are 60. This is equal to 23. Correct? Then this is equal to 8. This is equal to minus 7. What all we got? We got first box answer. That is first, what is first box answer here? 53. First box answer is 53. Second box answer is 38. Third answer is 23. Then fourth answer is 8. Then minus 7. Okay. One applied question. What we need to find out? 830 minus 820. Of the following APs, AP number 1 is minus 9, minus 14, minus 19, and so on. What is the second question?
9,
9, 7, 5, 3 and so on. Correct? Look here. In the first question, what is A value?
-9.
A is equal to minus 9. Minus 9. Then what is D formula? D is equal to A2 minus A1. This is equal to what is second term? Minus 14. Minus what is the first term? Minus 9. If there is double bracket, you need to add one bracket. Double minus one bracket. Minus 14. Minus into minus plus 9. Minus 14 plus 9 minus 5. D value minus 5. Then what we need to find out? A30 minus A20. Then what is the formula for A30? A plus 29D minus what is A20? A plus 19D. Okay, you need to add bracket here. Then this is equal to A plus 29D minus A minus 19D. Correct? Okay. Plus A minus A cancel. 29D minus 19D 10D. This is equal to 10 into what is D value? Minus 5. 10 5s are 50. Minus 50 is the answer. Simple is there. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಉಳಿದವರು ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Okay, exercise 1.2 fourth main. The question is which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Which term means n is equal to question mark. Which term means what? N is equal to question mark. Which term of the AP is 78? Is 78 means the last term is 78. Last term is 78. An is equal to 78. N is equal to question mark. A is equal to first term. Common difference is equal to formula. Understood? Okay. What is A here? A is equal to 3. D is equal to formula A2 minus A1. What is second term? 8 minus 3. What is D value? 5. We got D value. Then what we need to find out? N value. Which term? We also know the last term. An is equal to 78. N is equal to question mark. We know the formula. What is the formula here? What is the formula? An is equal to A plus in bracket N minus 1 into D. We have An value. What is A value? 3 plus N minus 1. What is D value? For you. Plus 3 it will become what? Minus 3. 78 minus 3 is equal to N minus 1 into 5. 75 is equal to N minus 1. 5. Into 5 it will become what? Divided by 75 divided by 5 is equal to N minus 1. 5 ones are 5 15s are 15 is equal to N minus 1. Minus 1 will become what? Plus 1. 15 plus 1 is equal to N. Therefore, N is equal to 16. Therefore, 16th term of this AP is 78. Understood? 16th term is 78. Fifth main is we need to find out the number of terms in each of the following AP. Number of terms means what? N. क्या find out करना है? N find out. They will be giving you A value, D value, An value. What we need to find out? N value. Understood? Number of terms N value. Which term of the AP? N value. Understood? E is 78, E is 100, then that is An value. Correct? Last term. In the first question, what is A is equal to 7. What is the formula? A2 minus A1. What is the second number? 13 minus 7. What is the answer? 6. What is last term? 205. What is the formula An? Plus bracket n minus 1 into D. What is last term? 205. 205 is equal to A is equal to 7 plus n don't know D value 6 is the D value. Understood? Then plus 7 it will become minus 205 minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. 198 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. Into 6 it will become divide. 198 divided by 6 is equal to n minus 1. 6 ones are 6 threes are 18. 6 threes are 18. Okay, 33 is equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 it will become plus 1. 33 plus 1. Therefore, n is equal to 34. We got 34th term of the AP is 205. Understood? Mr. Britisher, please look here. Okay. What is the second? What is the first term here? A is equal to 18. Then D formula. minus A1. Okay, what is the second term? 15 integer 1 by 2 minus 18. This is equal to 15 integer 1 by 2. This is a mixed fraction. We need to convert it into improper fraction. 2 15s are 30. 30 plus 1 31 divided by 2 minus 18 divided by 1. Cross multiply. 131s are 31. 18 2s are 36. 2 1s are 31 minus 36 divided by 2. D value what we need to find out? Okay, what is the formula? Okay, An is equal to A plus in bracket. An is equal to A plus in bracket. N minus 1 into what is An here? What is An? Minus 14. Last number is the An. Minus 47 is equal to A is 18 plus N don't know D value is minus 5 divided by 2 plus 18 will become what? Minus 18 minus 47 minus 18 is equal to N minus 1 into minus 5 divided by minus 2. If both are minus, you need to add and answer will be minus. Understood? 47 plus 18 65. Understood? 65. 65 minus okay is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 divided by 2 into divided by 2 it will become what? Into 5 it will become what? Divided by. It will reciprocate. Minus 65. Reciprocal of minus 5 by 2 is 2 by minus 5. Minus minus cancel. 5 ones are 5. 13s are 65 is equal to n minus 1. Then 13 2s are 26. 26 is equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 will become plus 1. 26 plus 1 is equal to n. Therefore n is equal to 27. 27th term of the AP is minus 47. This is the fifth method. Understood? Applied question. The question is, what is the question here? Which term of the AP? Which term of the AP? Which term of the AP?
3, 10, 17.
3, 10, 17
Will be 84 more than.
Will be
84 more than.
84 more than. 84 more than.
It's 30th.
Its
30th.
30th term.
13th
term. 13th term. Correct? Okay. Which term of the AP? An. Understood? Which term of the AP? An. Correct? Which term of the AP is? Okay. Which term of the AP is equal to An? Understood? Which term of the AP is? An is something. An is how much more than? 84 more than 13th term. What is the meaning here? An is the 84 more than 13th term. What is the given thing here? What is A is equal to
3.
3. What is D is equal to A2 minus A1 10 minus 3 7. We got A value, we got D value. Correct? Then AN is equal to, according to question, according to question, what is the question here? Which term of the AP is 84 more than its 13th term? Which term means AN? You have to take AN. AN is equal to 84 more than means what? Plus. Less than means minus. 84 more than how much? 13th term. 13th term means what? A13. AN is 84 more than 13th term. Understood? What is the formula for AN? A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. Correct? ಅದು ನಮ್ ಬೇಡ, AN ಬೇಡ ನಮಗೆ, ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. Okay, what is A13? A plus 12D plus 84. This is equal, what is A value? 3 plus 12 into D value 7 plus 84. This is equal to 3 plus 12 sevens are 84 plus 84 168. Correct? 168 plus 3 171. Okay, 171. AN is equal to 170. Which term andara hodilla? Which term andara andra n is equal to question mark. AN is equal to 171. n is equal to question mark. AN is equal to ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಈಗ. AN is equal to answer 171. n is equal to question mark. Which term? n is equal to question mark. Look here. We got AN value. What we need to find out is n value. AN formula A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D is equal to 171. A value 3 plus in bracket n minus 1 D value 7 is equal to plus 3 to become minus 3. N minus 1 into 7 is equal to 171 minus 3. N minus 1 into 7 is equal to 168. Into 7 will become what? Divided by 7. N minus 1 is equal to 168 divided by 7. 7 2s are 14. 2 to 28. 7 4s are 28. N minus 1 is equal to 24. Minus 1 will become what? Plus. N is equal to 24 plus 1. N is equal to 25. N is equal to 20. Understood? Cross verify ಮಾಡಿದ, cross verify ಮಾಡ್ತಿ. N is equal to 25. That is nothing but what? 25th term is how much more than 84 more than 13th term. 84 more than 13th term. A25 is nothing but what? A plus 24D is equal to A13 A plus 12D plus 84. Is cross verification extra. Okay, A value is, what is A value? 3 plus 24 into 7 is equal to 3 plus 12 into 7 plus 84. Then 3 plus 168 is equal to 24 sevens are 168 is equal to 3 plus 84 plus 84. Okay, 171 is equal to 171. Understood? That means 25th term is 84 more than 13th term. Which term of the AP is more than something ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ AN is equal to that something more than ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. AN ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. AN ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕಿ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ AN ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ AN ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಲೆಫ್ಟಿಗೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ AN ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5 and so on to a last number. Yeah, 2 ಮುಂದ ಇಷ್ಟೇ. Okay. Sixth question. The question is check whether minus 150 is a term of AP 11, 8, 5, 2. We need to check whether this indicates or this present in this AP or not. इदु ये नंबर ये AP में है या नहीं है हम चेक करना चाहिए. ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಮೈನಸ್ 150 ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಆದೋ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? To check that, what we need to do? We need to take this one as an. This one as an. If n is whole number, then only this number present in this AP. If n is fraction, point or negative number, then this number is not in this AP. Understood? n का वैल्यू नेगेटिव नहीं आना चाहिए, फ्रैक्शन नहीं आना चाहिए, पॉइंट नहीं आना चाहिए. n का वैल्यू ಏನು ಬರಬಾರ್ದಪ್ಪ? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು, ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ಹಂಗ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ AP ಒಳಗೆ ಅದ ಅಂದಂಗ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ AP ಒಳಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. If it comes, n value comes in fractions, then minus 150 is not in AP. n value comes as negative, then minus 150 is not in AP. Understood? So what we need to find out here? n value. क्या find out करना? n value. We got a value. What is a here? Okay. A is equal to 11. Next b is equal to a2 minus a1. What is second term? 8 minus 11. What is the answer? Minus 3. We got b value. Correct? We already know that if they have given check means this is an. Check anta ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅದು an. Check ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ an. an is equal to minus 150. n is equal to question mark. If n is whole number or positive number, then only minus 150 is this AP, is in this AP. Okay. What we know? an formula. an is equal to a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. an is minus 150 is equal to a value 11 plus n minus 1 d value minus 3. If it is minus, you need to take one bracket here. Correct? Okay. Plus 11, it will become minus 150 minus 11 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. If both are minus, hey, ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೋದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದಪ್ಪ. ಮುಂದಪ್ಪ ನನಸ ಮುಂದ್ವಾ ಕೊಂದ. If both are minus, you need to add. Correct? Minus 150 minus 11 minus 161 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Into minus 3 to become divide minus 3. Minus 161 divide minus 3 is equal to n minus 1. Minus minus cancel. Point ಒಳಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. 3 5s 15. 1 ಉಳಿತು, 11 ಆಯಿತು. 3 3s 9, 2 ಉಳಿತು. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ 20. 3 6s 18. ಆಮೇಲೆ 2 20. 3 6s 18 is equal to n minus 1. minus 1 ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನಾಗ್ತದಪ್ಪ? plus 1. 53.66 plus 1 is equal to n. Therefore n is equal to 54.66. If n is in decimals, if n is in fraction, if n is negative, then this number is not in AP. ಏನೇನು ಇರಬಾರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಎನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು, ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ AP. therefore ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ, therefore minus 150 is not in AP or in given AP, not in given AP. Understood? Right. Bandha Shiva. Seventh question. The question is, find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. They have given two terms. They have given two terms. They are asking one term, that is which 31st term. Correct? They have given two terms. What are the given things here? क्या क्या दिए उन्होंने, ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡು. Look here. Solution given 31st term ಅಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 11th term A11. 11th term is A11 is equal to 38, comma, then A16 is equal to 73. What we need to find out? A31 is equal to question. A11 38, A16 73. A11 can be splitted as A plus 10D is equal to 38. Equation number 1. A16 can be written as A plus 15D, 1 kami D is equal to 73. Equation number 2. Equation 2 minus equation 1 gives. ಎದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ, equation 2 ಒಳಗೆ equation 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್, ಬಿಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಐತಿ, ಇದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. Understood? Okay. A plus 15D is equal to 73. Then A plus 10D is equal to 38. Minus ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, change the ಚಿಹ್ನಾಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು, change the ಚಿಹ್ನಾಸ್. Understood? ये माइनस है बोले तो यहाँ पे चेंज द चिन्हास. नेक्स्ट प्लस ए माइनस ए कैंसल. 15d माइनस 10d 5d is equal to 73 minus 38 35. Okay, into 5 it will become what, divided by d is equal to 35 divided by 5 ones are 5 sevens are. Therefore d is equal to 7. You got d value. You need to put this d value in equation number 1. क्या करना, अब d value put करना किसके अंदर, इक्वेशन नंबर 1 के अंदर. Put d is equal to 7. Okay, in equation number 1. Okay, ಏನಪ್ಪ equation number 1, a plus 10d, d is equal to 7 is equal to 38. A plus 10 sevens are 70 is equal to 38 plus 70 akkadi kalasu. Okay, A is equal to 38 minus 70. Then A is equal to minus 32. We got A value. Correct? A is equal to minus 32, D is equal to 7. What we need to find out? What we need to find out? A31. Therefore, A31 is equal to, it can be written as A plus 30D is equal to, A is minus 32 plus 30, D is equal to 7. This is equal to minus 32 plus 210. 37s are 210 is equal to 210 or 32 minus maadu 178. A31 is equal to, what is the answer, 178. Check the answer. One applied question. The question is, what is the question? First question is, if mth term, if m times the mth term of an AP
is equal to
is equal to n times the nth term. Show that m plus nth term is 0. Correct? Is 0. Correct? If m plus nth term of the AP is 0. Correct? Look here. If m times mth term ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತೀಯ? nth term ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ? nth meaning ಏನಪ್ಪ? What is nth term? an. Okay. 10th term is a10. 100th term is a100. nth term is an. Correct? an formula a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. n is equal to a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. ಅಂದ್ರೆ nth term ಆಯ್ತು. mth term ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಲಿ ಹೇಳು? Okay, an is equal to formula a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? mth term ಅಂದ್ರೆ am. am ಅನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀಯ? a plus in bracket m minus 1 into d. Then mth term ಆಯ್ತಾ? m plus nth term ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀಯ? m plus nth term ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀಯ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ m ಇದ್ರ m ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ n ಇದ್ರ n ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಿ, m plus n ಇದ್ರ m plus ಹೌದಿಲ್ರಪ್ಪ? a m plus n is equal to ನೋಡಿ ಶ್ರೇಯಲ್ಲಿ a plus m ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು? m ಇದ್ರ m ಬರ್ದಿ, n ಇದ್ರ n ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಿ, m plus n ಇದ್ರ m plus n minus 1 into d. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ನೋಡಿ. ಈಗ m plus n ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಇದು ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ರಫ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮೂಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. a plus in bracket m plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದ? ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕೀಗ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, look here. First of all we know that solution, the given things. What are the given things? m times mth term. m times ಅಂದ್ರೆ m times meaning ಏನು? mth term ಅಂದ್ರೆ a m is equal to n times nth term. n times nth term. Correct? Okay. m times mth term is equal to n times nth term. Okay. m in bracket am formula a plus in bracket m minus 1 into d is equal to n into bracket an formula a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. Correct? Okay. m ಲೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿ. Look here. m into a m a plus m into m minus 1 into d. Correct? m ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, m ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು n ಇಂಟು a n a ಪ್ಲಸ್ n ಇಂಟು ಮುಂದೇನು n ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು d. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿತದ 0 ಉಳಿತದ. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್? ಇನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ m a plus m in bracket m minus 1 into d minus bracket NA plus N in bracket N minus 1 into D is equal to 0. Correct? Okay. Next. In bracket MA as it is MA plus M into M into N M square. Next minus M into 1 M into D into D minus in bracket N into A plus N into N N square minus N into 1 N into D is equal to 0. ಈ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಿನ ಹೊರಗೆ ತಗೊಂಬಂದಾಗ ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ M into A MA ಪ್ಲಸ್ M ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ M into D minus into NA minus NA minus into plus minus N square minus N into D whole bracket is equal to 0. ಇವೆರಡು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇದು ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ? ಮೈನಸ್ಲೆ ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಈಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಎನ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎನ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಲ್ಪ ಎರಡರೊಳಗೆ? ಎ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿತೀವಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಎ ಇನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಏನೇನು ಉಳಿತು? ಎಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎನ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ ನಾನು? ಎ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿ ಅದ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡಿ. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡುವಾಗ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಎಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗ್ತದ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಎನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡೋಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಎನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಓಕೆ. ಇನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಎ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಎಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಎಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬಾಜುದಾಗ ಎನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ಎಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೊಂದು ಉಳಿತು, ಇದೊಂದು ಉಳಿತು. ಏನು ಉಳಿತಪ್ಪ ಈಗ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎನ್ ಉಳಿತಲ್ಲ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ ಎರಡರೊಳಗೆ. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇವಾಗ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಎನ್ ಇದ್ದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎನ್ ಇದ್ದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಎನ್. ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದ? ಎಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎನ್ ಇತ್ತು. ನಾನೇನು ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೊಳಗ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಮ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಮ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಮ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ? ಎಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ in bracket a in bracket m minus n plus d. ಇದು m square minus n square ಅದ. a square minus b square ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು? a plus b a minus b. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹೇಳು? a plus b into a minus b. ಮುಗೀತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನದ? ಮೈನಸ್ m minus n bracket complete, another bracket complete, whole bracket complete is equal to 0. Okay, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನೀನು? m square minus n square ಇದ್ದದ್ದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ? m plus n, m minus n. m minus n, here is m minus n, here is also m minus n, you can get here also. Correct? What we take common here? m minus n ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಮಗನೇ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ? ಏನು ಉಳಿತಿಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ a plus d in bracket m plus n. ಇದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋದ್ಬಿಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿತದೆ? ಏನು ಉಳಿತದೆ? ಬರೀ 1 ಉಳಿತದೆ. ಬರಲೇ ಒಂದು ಈಗ m ಮೈನಸ್ n ಹೊರಗ, ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು m ಪ್ಲಸ್ n ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಇದು ಹೊರಗ, ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಏನು ಉಳಿತದೆ? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ 1 ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಇಂಟು m ಮೈನಸ್ n ಅದ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದಪ್ಪ? ಅದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಡಿವೈಡ್ 0 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ m ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಆಗ್ತದ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಈಗ 0 ಆಯ್ತು. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೋಯ್ತು ಈಗ a ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ m ಪ್ಲಸ್ n ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು d ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇದೇ ಬಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದೆ. a ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ n ಮೈನಸ್ 1d ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಿ an ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಿ. a ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ m ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು d ಅಂತ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಿ am ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನಂತಿ a ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ m ಪ್ಲಸ್ n ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು d ಅಂದ್ರೆ a m ಪ್ಲಸ್ n ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? m ಪ್ಲಸ್ n ಅಂದ್ರೆ m ಪ್ಲಸ್ n ಮೈನಸ್ 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ n ಇದ್ರೆ n ಮೈನಸ್ 1. Understood? Therefore, m plus nth term is 0. Hence, proved. Okay. Second applied question. What is the question here? The question is 10 times. The 10 times the 10th term. 10 times the 10th term of an AP is equal to 15 times the 15th term. Show that 25th term is 0. Mr. Vanti, look here. 25th term is 0. Correct? We need to find out 25th term is 0. Correct? What is the given thing here? Given 10 times 10th term A10 is equal to 15 times 15 term A15. 10 in bracket A10 can be split as A plus 9D is equal to 15 into bracket A15 can be A plus 14D. 10 into A 10A plus 9 10s are 90D is equal to 15 into A 15A plus 210D. D separate ಮಾಡೋಣ A separate ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 15 ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 90 ಮೈನಸ್ 10A minus 15A. 10A minus 15A is equal to 210D minus 90D. Minus 5A is equal to minus ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ 120D ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಬಿಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, 120D into 5 it will become what? Divide minus 5 into minus 5 divide minus. A is equal to 120D divided by minus 5 1s are 5 2s are 10 5 4s are 20. A is equal to minus 24D. What is A value? Minus 24D. Then what we need to find out? A 25. Therefore A25 can be written as A plus 24D. What is A value? Minus 24D plus 24D. Okay, cancel. Answer will be 0. A25 is equal to 0. Therefore 25th term is 0. Hence true. Correct. 8th question. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and last term is 106. Find 29th term. Okay, we need to find 29th term. What are the given things? Given. Okay, an AP consists of 50 terms. 50 terms. Number of terms. They have given number of terms. Number of terms n is equal to 50. Then of which third term is 12. Third term a3 is equal to 12 and last term an is equal to 106. 106. What we need to find out? Find the 29th term. A29 is equal to question. Okay. We got A3 and AN. What is N here? A50. Okay, A15 पर बोला N अंदर A50 ले A50 is equal to 106. Therefore A3 can be written as A plus 2D is equal to 12. Then A50 can be written as A plus 49D is equal to 106. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. This is A3 is equal to. This is A50 is equal to. Right? A3, A50. Then change the symbols. Minus, minus, minus. Minus A plus A cancel. Minus 49 plus 2 minus 47D is equal to minus 106 plus 12 minus 94. Correct? Into 47 into minus 47 ಏನಾಗ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅದು divided by minus 47. 94 divided by minus 47. Minus minus cancel. 47 ones are 47 twos are. D is equal to 2. Okay, we got D value. Put this value in equation number 1. Put D is equal to 2 in equation number 1. What we got? A plus 2 into D is equal to 12. A plus 2 twos are 4 is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 minus 4. A is equal to 8. We got A value and D value. Next, what we need to find out the final term, that is A29 is equal to A29 is equal to A plus 28D. What is A value? 8 plus 28. D value is 2. Okay, this is equal to 8 plus 22 is 56. This is equal to 64. What is the 29th term? 64. One applied question. What is the question here? A comma 7 comma B comma 23 comma C are in AP. Find A comma B comma C. Find ABC. Okay. Solution. Look here. Solution. What they have given? A comma 7 comma B comma 23 comma C. Consider this one as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. What all they given? A2 and A4. A2 is equal to what? 7. A2 is equal to 7. This can be written as, how can you write A2? A plus B is equal to 7. Equation number 1. Then what they have given? A4 is equal to 23. This can be written as A plus 3D is equal to 23. Equation number 2. Equation 1 minus 2 gives. Equation 1 minus 2 gives minus minus minus. Cancel. Minus 3 plus D minus 2D is equal to minus 23 plus 7 minus 16 into minus 2. It will become divided by minus 2. Minus 16 divided by minus 2. Minus minus cancel. 2 ones are 2 eights are. D is equal to 8. We got D value. Put this D value in equation number 1. You will get the A value. Correct? Yes or no? Okay. Therefore, from equation number 1, What is equation number 1? A plus 8 is equal to A plus 8 is equal to 7. Plus 8 it will become minus. A is equal to 7 minus 8. A is equal to minus 1. We got A value and we got D value. What we need to find out? A1, A3, A5. A1, A3, A5. A1 is equal to A only. A1 is equal to A only. Correct? A1 andra A andanga. A1 is equal to A only. Therefore, A1 is equal to A is equal to what is the answer? Minus 1. Then A3 A3 is equal to A plus 2D is equal to A value is minus 1 plus 2 into D value is A is equal to minus 1 plus 8 to 16. What is the answer? 15. Okay. A3. We got A3. What is A3? B. What is A3? B. Therefore, B is equal to 15. Next, what we need to find out? A5. A5 is equal to A plus 4D is equal to A is minus 1 plus 4 into D is A minus 1 plus 32 is equal to 31. What is A5? C. Okay, we got C value 31, B value is 15 and A value is minus 1. This is the solution. Understood? Right. Ninth question, very important question. What is the question here? If the third and ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, what we need to find out? Which term of this AP is 0? Which term is 0? This is the question, important question. What is the solution here? Look here, the solution. They have given third and ninth term. What is the third term here? 4. Ninth is minus 8. Third term is 4. Ninth term is minus 8. Third, A3 can be represented as A3 and Bhartiya. A plus 2D is equal to 4. Equation number 1. A9 can be written as A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. Equation number 2. Equation number 1 minus 2 gives 1 minus 2 gives. Okay, change the chinnas. Minus is the last into plus. Plus the minus, plus is minus, minus the plus. Plus A minus A cancel. Minus 8D plus 2D minus 6D. Okay, is equal to plus 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4 plus 12 into minus 6. It will become divided by minus 6. D is equal to 12 divided by minus 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are. D is equal to minus 2. We got D value. Correct? Put this value in equation number 1. Put D is equal to minus 2 in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? A plus 2D. D is minus 2 is equal to 4. A plus into minus, minus 2 twos are 4 is equal to 4. Minus 4 will become plus 4. A is equal to 4 plus 4. What is A value? 8. We got A is equal to 8. But what they are asking here, which term of the AP is 0? Okay. Let nth term is 0. Which term is 0? Nth term is 0. Which term 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾನು? nth term is 0. Let nth term is 0. हम लेंगे nth term 0 लेंगे. nth ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ? an is equal to 0. We need to find out n is equal to question. Understood? an is equal to 0. Which term? Antandagintudya nth term is 0. Which term is 0? Nth term is 0. an is equal to 0. n is question mark. An formula a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. an is equal to a plus in bracket n minus 0 as it is. What is a value? 8 plus n minus 1. n minus 1 into d value minus 2 is equal to 0. Plus 8, it will become minus 8. n minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to minus 8. Into minus 2 it will become divided by minus 2. n minus 1 is equal to minus 8 divided by minus 2. Minus minus cancel. 2 ones are 2 fours are. n minus 1 is equal to 4. Minus 1 will become plus 1. Therefore, n is equal to 4 plus 1. n is equal to 5. Therefore, fifth term of the AP is 0. Fifth term of the AP is 0. Understood? Right. Tenth question. The 17th term of an AP exceeds 10th term by 7. Find common difference. This is the question. Okay. To solve this, what we need to write first? Given things. What are the given things here? Given things. The 17th term of an AP. 17th term is nothing but what? 17th term. A 17. 17th term of an AP exceeds. Exceeds means ज़्यादा, जास्ती अन्नंग, ಹೆಚ್ಚ अन्नंग. Exceeds means ज़्यादा, जास्ती. Exceeds 10 term by 7. Exceed ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ? Plus. Exceed means plus. Which term? 10th term ಅಂದ್ರೆ A 10 by 7 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 7. Understood? Look here. 17th term exceeds 10th term by 7. 17th term exceeds 10th term by 7. Understood? What we need to find out? We need to find out common difference. D is equal to question mark. A 17 can be written as A plus 16D is equal to A 10. A plus 9D plus 7. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಮ್ಮ a plus 16d minus a minus 9d is equal to 7. Minus a plus a cancel. 16 minus 9 7d is equal to 7. Into 7 it will become divide. 7 divided by 7. Therefore d is equal to 1 is the answer. Understood? They have asked only for D. We have find out D.